Hey guys, what is up today? It's Naveen with the Casual Coder, and in today's video, basically, I'll be showing off GitHub Copilot. So yeah, recently I got access to GitHub Copilot, so I signed up for the beta program, and yeah, I'll just basically be showing off GitHub Copilot, what it is, how it works, um, and yeah, some of my experiences so far. So at the moment, I've only done very little programming with it. I haven't done any extensive projects or anything, just fiddling around with a couple of test files, seeing how it works. But yeah, firstly, I guess to try and, if you want to get it yourself, basically you have to go to copilot.github.com, as you can see on the screen, and you just basically sign up. And it'll take a while, depending on various factors. I applied probably in November, and only got approved in the last month. But yeah, once you get approved, so you basically just connect your GitHub account, yada yada. And basically once you've got accepted, you'll get an email, and basically you just want to follow the documentation to install GitHub Copilot. It normally just comes in a extension. So yeah, I did it for Visual Studio Code because that's basically what I use. And so yeah, you have to go visit the Copilot extension, blah blah blah, install the extension, authenticate with your GitHub account, which would have been authenticated with Copilot, and then yeah. So let's just get into some code. Again, this is a pretty short video. Just be showing off. So for example, I have two test files, a test Python and a JavaScript. So those are the main things I've been coding with recently. Let's just see if they work. So let's see. Let's get the current time, and then we'll do a def. And as you can see, even right now, so I guess to explain it, what GitHub Copilot is basically a way to replace my job. So it's just an AI Copilot, and to help you and assist you while you're programming. So instead of having to, type these out myself, it's basically like autocorrect, spell check, like the predictive text to a certain extent, where it's gonna suggest you things that you can autocomplete. Autocomplete is actually the better way to explain it. Suggest you stuff that you should use. So in this case, if I just hit tab, then bam, that function is done. There's some cool ones like create. Okay, let's see. Create a list. Give me a suggestion right there. Let's do that. Def get files. I think the names, I'm not really sure again how accurate the name conventions are. If you create some random ass function name, whether that'll apply to it, I'm not really sure. So at the moment, I've just been doing adjacent or close enough to what I'm trying to do. So yeah, as you can see, it imports the files, imports OS, glib, and bam, just like that. Let's see, get price of a stock. Let's see, def get stock. Nope. Stock price. This one doesn't work. As you can see, it's not. And oh wait, there it is. Yeah, this is what I noticed sometimes. It oh yeah, there you go. It takes a while to get certain functions. Not really sure if that's on me or if that was just on there, but you kind of saw that on camera. Let's see, get a random number between 1 and 1000. Oh, def get random. Yeah, so that was basically with Python. Let's see, with JavaScript function. Alright, I'll do a comment. Get me the current weather. Get current. Oh yeah, sorry, I had to like pause it for a second because it took a while for the JavaScript, but you can see right now, here it is. So if I just hit tab, and yeah, basically it's just done a get current weather for me, which is hella, like, especially with JavaScript, you know, the Python was kind of, you know, rudimentary, but for things like this, and I've seen some examples using like async functions as well, so this will be hella handy. I guess, like, in terms of the negatives per se, it's basically like it's machine learning, so it's constantly just going through GitHub repos, and there's a bit of controversy around like it using public repos and potentially accessing people's private repos, which I haven't been following since like that story broke, but I'm not really sure what GitHub's has responded to that. But yeah, like, it's really, like, you know, really good. It has its limitations per se, like you can't be really using this for workplace code because, you know, once you're recording that stuff, that'll go out inside and other users could potentially use it. And yeah, the only thing I've noticed sometimes is that it's a little bit slow to understand. It's not like snappy. But other than that, it's been really good, really handy, and I think really the sky's the limit with the potential. Hopefully it doesn't replace me by the time I've, you know, give me like 5-10 years to make some money, and then replace me with an AI programmer. But yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Sweet. So yeah, sorry guys to interrupt like halfway, or not even halfway, like towards the end of the video. Basically this video was meant to come out like a couple of months ago, but like I've just been busy with life, work, and just other stuff that I haven't really been uploading or been like consistent with YouTube. And I guess that kind of applies to this video because 2 months ago GitHub Copilot was still in beta. However, now it's been, as of 2 days ago actually, it's been fully released, and they're planning to update with a pricing plan. So that kind of throws off the video, and really it just matters at this point like whether you should buy it. So I'm not really sure what the prices are. I'll have that on the screen somewhere, describing how much they are. But yeah, at this stage I would probably, unless you're really needing some assistance, or like you need it for specific applications like designing some complex functions, or you're trying to build something from scratch, I don't really see a use case for it that is that applicable. Yes, it's handy, yes, it's kind of powerful, but at this stage it's kind of limited in application per se. I still think you can get around with just copy and pasting over Stack Overflow. Yes, if you're stuck in a rut, then it'd be nice to be like, oh, I just want to generate this to get started. But yeah, do I think it's worth the money? Again, depends on your use case and really what you need it for. But for most, I'd say you kind of don't need it, but it'd be something nice to have. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll definitely try and get back onto the uploading grind. It's been a while. I've been busy. I've even been out of the country. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.